This short video is designed to teach you how to navigate through the Supervisor refresher course. In order to get to the assessment in the Supervisor refresher course, you simply scroll through the course to the relevant elements. So it's designed to communicate information, conduct safety and health, and apply your risk management processes. In order to complete this course successfully, you need to complete and pass all of the assessment items. To get to an assessment item, you simply click an assessment link. They're all the ones with the ticks. All of the assessment in this course is designed to be set out in a very similar way so that there are no surprises when you go from one element to the next. So on your assessment page, you will see that you need to answer all questions correctly in order to successfully complete the assessment. And for each of the assessments, you have 3 attempts. So hopefully you'll get it right in the first attempt and you won't need the other 2. To start the assessment, just click Attempt Quiz Now. And then it will just give you a message stating that you've got 3 attempts, you're about to start a new attempt. Do you wish to proceed? Start your attempt. Each of the quizzes is designed to be the same. So in the left hand side you will see a quiz navigation, so you can either navigate your way through using the pages on the left hand side, or you can do it sequentially the way that the course is designed to be. So you'll read your information page. At the bottom of that you will see a next button. And that will either bring you back to a question page which relates to information on the previous page or pages, where you can answer that question. If you're not quite sure of what the answer is, you can always flag the question, go back to your information page, find the correct information, then head back to your question page and select the answer that you want to have. So please make sure that you read the question completely, because it will tell you how many questions, whether it's a single answer or it's multiple answers that you will need to have answered. So this one states 5 questions, so make sure that you're selecting 5 items. Then hit Next, where you'll get your next lot of information. Once you've gone through, all of the pages will be greyed out. You don't have to save your answer. Once you've clicked selected an answer, that will be saved automatically for you. Then you can either navigate your way through to the end, or you can finish your attempt. When you finish your attempt, or you've gone through the sequential pages, you'll be brought to the summary of your attempt. That will tell you whether or not you've answered the questions. It will say your answer's been saved or not yet answered. So if you've flagged an item that you want to go back to, you can simply click that question, come back to it, put your answers in, navigate through or finish your attempt. When you're ready to finish your attempt, you'll have your answer saved. And then when you're ready, once all your answers are saved, you can hit Submit All and Finish. Once you submit, you'll no longer be able to change your answers, so make sure that you have reviewed them. Once you're certain, Submit All and Finish. Once you've submitted, you'll get an instant grade back, so it will tell you whether you've got 7 out of 7 and 100%. And on the navigation side, you'll see any that are in green are answered correctly. Any that are in pink have not yet been answered. There's also some that will have a yellow for partially answered questions. You can go through and review it all over again. You can show all of your questions on one page. And once you've finished your review, you'll be taken back to your assessment homepage, where you can see what your final grade is. You can review it again if you wish to. If you've got 100%, then all you need to do is go back to your Supervisor refresher homepage, where you can start your second piece of assessment in this element. Or you can then just make sure you find yourself or navigating yourself around the home page. So always remember you can use your breadcrumb trail to get you back to where you need to be. If you find yourself like I did and you failed your first attempt, then you can come back in and you can reattempt and start your second attempt. If at any stage you're going through the attempt and you're not ready to finish it, just click back onto your Supervisor refresher page. That's your home page. It won't count that as a finalised attempt, so next time you actually go back into that assessment, it will tell you that you've got one in progress, and then you can continue to the last attempt, and it will take you back to the page where you left off, where you can go through again, finish your attempt, and once you finish and submit, that's your final submission for that actual piece of assessment.